Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
At the Haiphong International Hospital, 34-year-old mother gave birth to a boy. Moments after the baby was conceived, the intrauterine system, IUD, was confiscated. It is assumed that the IUD shifted from its original position and ineffectively became. The IUD is usually inserted into a woman's uterus to avoid fertilization of eggs. A newborn baby in Vietnam has been photographed holding his mother's contraceptive coil in a futile attempt to avoid her conceiving. The 34-year-old mom of the baby, who had previously had two other babies, is said to have inserted the intrauterine device, IUD, 2 years ago. The IUD came out at the same time as the infant, but separately. It was only after birth that the infant took the coil, the VN Express notes. Pictures taken at Haiphong International Hospital, Vietnam, by the obstetrician Tran Viet Phuong show the newborn baby holding on to the unit. A newborn baby was photographed at Haiphong International Hospital, holding on to the contraceptive coil that did not deter his mother from being pregnant with him. Obstetrician Tran Viet Phuong, who took the video, said the baby and coil came out at the same time, and the infant picked up the tool intrauterine shortly afterwards. Phuong said, "I thought it was cool after delivery to have him holding the item, so I took a photo. I never thought he'd get so much coverage." He also said that if the IUD had shifted from its original location, it would have failed to avoid the pregnancy. Two of the pictures shared on the Facebook page of the hospital show the baby boy wearing the IUD with his eyes shut. The IUD can be seen lying next to the neonate in another video. The baby was born stable and weighed 7 pounds and remains with his mother under observation. In action, the IUD is intended to release either copper or hormones after being inserted into a woman's uterus to prevent sperm from fertilizing any eggs. The baby's 34-year-old mother, who had previously had two other babies, reportedly had the intrauterine system, IUD, implanted.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.